In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your order status on Anthropologie. We'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure you can easily navigate their website. Let's get started. First, we'll need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any other browser you regularly use. With the browser open, navigate to the Anthropologie website by typing in www.anthropologie.com into the address bar and hitting enter. This will take you to their homepage, which is filled with their latest collections and featured items, but our goal today is to check up on those orders. On the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll spot a sign in option there. Give that a click. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password linked to your Anthropologie account. This is the very same information you used when you first set up your account or placed your order. If you're having trouble remembering your password, don't worry. There's an option to reset it just below the login fields. Once you're successfully logged into your account, you'll notice your account name or perhaps an icon, again in the top right corner of the page. Click on it. Doing this will reveal a drop-down menu with several choices, but what we're interested in here is My Account. Go ahead and click My Account to proceed. After opening the My Account section, you'll be greeted with various options related to your personal settings, billing information, and more. But today, our focus is solely on tracking orders. So, in this section, find and click on Orders. Here, you'll be able to view all of your recent purchases. The page will show you detailed information about each order you've placed. Things like the order number, date, the total amount, and most importantly, the status of each order. If you click on a specific order, you'll get even more information like the items included in the order, expected delivery dates, and tracking numbers. Should you have placed an order recently, you may encounter various statuses like processing, shipped, or delivered. Each status provides insight into where exactly your order is in the fulfillment process. And if there's a tracking number available, clicking on it will redirect you to the courier's site for even more up-to-the-minute details on your shipment's whereabouts. And that's all there is to it. Knowing where your order is at all times ensures peace of mind, especially when eagerly anticipating a new outfit or home decor piece. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to explore their help section or customer service options for more personalized support. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping at Anthropologie.